Whether you're a photographer, filmmaker, YouTuber, or content creator, Canon's EOS R6 Mark III is not just an update, it's a bold evolution. Canon has officially thrown its hat into the ring with the game-changing EOS R6 Mark III, packing a 30MP stacked CMOS sensor, supercharged AI performance, and 4K 120p video magic. If you thought Canon was falling behind Sony or Nikon, think again. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about this shocking new release, from the new sensor and AI features to frame rates, overheating solutions, price positioning, and real-world impact for creators like you. So, buckle up, because what Canon's about to unleash may be the biggest shift in their mirrorless lineup to date. To understand the R6 Mark III's impact, let's quickly rewind. Canon's full-frame mirrorless ecosystem is massive. EOS R3, built for sports and journalism. EOS R5 and R5 Mark II, high-res powerhouse for pros. EOS RP and R8, great entry-level options. EOS R6 and R6 Mark II, the sweet spot for hybrid creators. And now, Canon EOS R6 Mark III comes into the picture to completely redefine that middle ground, with flagship features at a non-flagship price. The headline everyone's buzzing about: Canon has upgraded to a 30MP stacked CMOS sensor. This is massive for a few key reasons. Higher resolution, a jump from the R6's 20MP and R6II's 24MP to 30MP is a huge leap, especially for those shooting detailed landscapes, commercial portraits, and 4K crops. Stacked sensor speed, data is read out much faster, which drastically reduces rolling shutter and boosts burst shooting. Better dynamic range and low light handling. Expect cleaner shadows, more detail in highlights, and stellar high ISO performance. Canon is finally bringing Sony alpha-level sensor technology into their own line, except now with Canon's signature color science and UI. Canon's making major moves with video. 4K 60 frames per second standard. 4K 120 frames per second for buttery smooth slow motion. 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording. Canon Log 3. Dual card slots, 1x CF Express Type B plus 1x UHS-2 SD. Full-size HDMI port. This camera is clearly built for filmmakers and YouTubers. Canon is finally answering the calls from creators for serious heat management and unlimited recording. If Canon delivers on its promises, no thermal shutdowns, clean HDMI out, and full 10-bit internal color depth, the R6 Mark III could dominate the hybrid shooter market. Inside the R6 Mark III is the latest Digic X processor, possibly with an extra AI accelerator chip, and this changes everything. White heavy check mark. What does AI bring to the table? Intelligent subject detection for humans, animals, cars, birds, aircraft. Faster, smarter autofocus tracking. Real-time white balance and exposure correction. Improved noise reduction and ISO handling. This is machine learning baked directly into your camera, not just firmware tricks. You don't need to worry about settings in the moment. Canon's AI will do the thinking, so you can stay focused on the shot. With dual-pixel CMOS AF2 plus AI learning plus stacked sensor speed,